Platonic computer serves as a bridge to connect universal consciousness and the phenomenal universe. Bit from consciousness, as David Chalmers concisely put it. So that's the bridge. We try to bridge the inverse explanatory gap. Now we have built the bridge. Let's have a look how robust is this bridge. We'll analyze the bridge in terms of its parsimony and internal consistency, its explanatory power, its testability, and its applications. The graphs summarize the model very well. So we started with meta-consciousness because we adopted a monolith philosophical stance. It's sufficiently parsimonious. Yeah. Also because we adopted the binary, which is the simplest structure of all structures. So it has its simplicity. Yeah. And we'll see it's also going to be very consistent. One might say that it's absolutely abstract or even imaginary computer. And how do we work with it? Yeah, how do we do any analysis to it? Well, it is true that we cannot access Platonic computer by seeing or touching it. However, we have access to its shadow, the physical computer. By manipulating the physical computer, we can learn a great deal about the Platonic computer. So by programming a physical computer and generating virtual reality, we can simulate how Platonic computer generates physical reality. Of course, the shadow is not the real thing. We can simulate a hurricane on the computer screen, but we wouldn't get wet or blown away. The hurricane on the computer screen is only a poor imitation of the physical hurricane in space. Nevertheless, a physical computer can simulate the dynamic changes of the weather so that the weather forecast can be made with a reasonable level of consistency.